Hey there, these are the Celor under eye patches that are made with collagen. These are the gold eye patches that you put under your eye. They're there to smooth puffy eyes, dark circles, and wrinkles. So as we get a little bit in our, I'm not going to say age over here, a little fine wrinkles do come up, and then I do get dark circles under my eyes. So I really need help with that. And we're going to take a look at these and how to use them. First thing you're going to do is wash your face really well before using them and then dry it and then put on the pairs under your eyes and leave them on to rest, relax for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove them. The patches and massage under the eye area before you apply makeup or start getting ready to kind of go out or anything. These are great to use. They just kind of give the makeup a clearer look. So here are the patches right here. Let's open one up. I thought I had one open. Okay, well, let's just open one up and take it out. It does come in this liquid just to keep it clear here. So it does come in this liquid. So you got to be a little bit of careful when you're opening it up. Just open it upside down. All right. So we're learning here to make sure to open it this way. And then you are going to take it out. It has an interesting texture. Now, I'm not a slime texture kind of girl, but when you have those on, they do feel great. They kind of have this cooling feeling on you. They cool down your skin, and these are great, and I do highly recommend them. I do enjoy using them very much, and this is my honest opinion.